Welcome back, folks. Dave White, Tom O'Brien. We appreciate you growling and prowling with us out here. And as we do each and every Friday afternoon, we have our technology expert, Mr. Dave White, with us. And, folks, if you haven't test drove his newsletter, come over to our website at tfnn.com. You're going to go right into newsletters. You go investment newsletters. You see the Tech Insider. You can test drive that 2 weeks absolutely free. And, folks, you know, if you haven't test drove the Art of Timing the Trade charts, okay, it's something that you not only want to test drive, but you want to do it right now, because what you have is that we have an introductory offer. That introductory offer, folks, is over at the end of this month. It's only $59 a month, off $520 for the year. If you happen to be watching Tiger TV, we're just basically bringing up one of the Gartleys that we're looking at here.
It came out this week, and the reason I wanted to bring this up was that we've had a couple of really good-looking Gartleys. Now, there are a lot of them, kind of like snowflakes. There's a lot of them, right? But we need to know exactly what we're looking for.
Right.
And there's been two really good examples. One was Oracle.
Yes.
And I wanted to bring this one up. It's just CLMT, just because this one is one of the ones that it has just about everything you want in it. And why I was thinking that we're probably going to be headed lower.
Yeah.
And this may be trading against the longer direction in the market.
No, I'm with you. Right.
Okay. But this is everything we look for, and especially when you look at my power law vector indicators, it's exactly what you see. You get a real strong move up, right?
And if you're in your car, we got to explain this to them. See,
right. Okay.
So, go ahead.
Well, I was going to say, you get a good strong move up from the low at $29.25 up to the $40.25 move. So you've got a good move. That's 33% move in the price of the stock. And you pull back, the energy lightens up. So I'm going to just, my power law vector indicator showed 2.1 on the way up from the X point to the A point.
Right.
Okay, but when we get back to the C point to the D point, it comes back to about 1.4. So we see that volume really,
it's contracting dramatically. That's right, folks.
And if you go back, and we won't get too far in the weeds, but it came back, nice pullback. It got right back to what we actually are looking for.
Right.
That 0.786.
Yep.
Right. Is 7.9 on this one. But I mean, very, very close. You had a good, and what I liked about this one is also the symmetry in these, where you actually got a 67% retrace, and I like to see a 65.
Yes.
So very, very close to exactly what you want in the pattern. The volume pulled back. It almost got exactly the 786 that we were looking for, and you had a nice low at the B point that had a lot of volume, 1.9 million shares. It came back through there and never really got it.
Right.
You had nice low volume. I thought maybe this thing would get down to 31 and then turn around, so I didn't get it. But it's exactly what you're looking for, especially if you're going through your book and you want to follow ones right now.
Right. And what happens, folks, is this, is that what the software does for you is this. The software goes out and scans 5,000 stocks. So when you're test driving this, you don't have to go hunt these. At the end of every night, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, you hit one button on the software, the list comes up, and then you go through the list. Now, it's interesting about CLMT also. If you've been in the market for a while, you know that's a highly volatile stock. And when that gets going, it really gets going. Because when I looked at that, I said, this is pretty wild. So all those details, folks, for the Art of Time the Trade charts is right on the front page of TFNN. David's put a huge amount of work into it, including all the videos. So check them out over the weekend, because you're going to have another couple weeks in order to get that introductory offer.